Hello and greetings. My name is Krishna Mode. I am a 23-year-old individual, unmarried from Mumbai, India. I have been graduated in marketing, advertising, and accounts from Mumbai University. Did my post-graduation in marketing and advertising PR from Wellingsford University, Mumbai University, India. Apart from that, I am a professional photographer and a guitar player. I have run the Mumbai Marathon. I'm a regular participant in football as well as table tennis, etc. I started my work experience during my undergraduation with an internship with Auto Control Systems India. So it's security systems and surveillance industry. So I used to deal with making databases, doing the cold calls, going for field visits, keep doing the filing work, entire MS Office access and PowerPoint presentations, etc. So it gave me a lot of solidarity when it came to learning how an industry works, how an organization works, etc. After completing my graduation, I started working with this startup called Imperial Sports Education Private Limited. This is the place where I worked for 2.5 years and I got the crux of my work experience. I started with managing a team which led to the marketing of pull and push strategy with this product called PEAK, that is Physical Education for All Kids. So we were associated with NASPE, that is National Association for Sports and Physical Education. So what we used to do is we used to, via indirect and direct approach all the trustees, CEOs and big dignitaries around India in their schools and colleges, making them understand the need and importance of physical education in India. So we had the curriculum, we had teachers, we had a proper protocol when it came to coaches. So these are the kind of services that we used to offer to schools, and in return we used to take a lump sum amount. So we had a marketing department, we had a technical department, we have a coaches department, all of this in place for our product PEAK. In the year 2013 and 2014, I was the official representative and ambassador for India for the Youth World Cups for football in Scandinavia, that is Norway, Sweden, Denmark and Finland. So there was this Gothia Cup, Norway Cup, then there was Dana Cup and Helsinki Cup. So these football international tournaments are for the under 18 and the under 11 age category. So what I used to do is I was in charge of the entire Indian contingent, the 150 to 200 students, to make principals aware, to make the students aware, and to make sure that they are trained enough, they have the kind of arsenal and talent which could take them for the tournament over there, and we can train them and we can make sure that they participate and do some wonders for India. So I was in charge for that. I was in Scandinavia for 30 days. Before that I had meetings in Singapore and Dubai for the Dubai TDD Cup as well as the Singa Cup in Singapore. This was one of my best experiences where I not only learned very different challenges in the outdoor, but also managing an entire team of more than 7 to 8 full-time individuals and 6 to 7 interns. So I've really learned the max with this kind of an experience. Followed by that, I started working in Multivision Technologies India in the last 6 months, and actually this company is a surveillance and IT sector company. So this basically deals with different kind of products, the online department, IT department, etc. So currently with a lot of fresh new ideas, making a team, making sure that I'm achieving my targets along with the team. So basically creating new strategies and new plans when it comes to increasing the number of cameras, etc. products which are going on in different societies, in different housing societies in India, in Mumbai especially. I personally think that I would be a perfect fit in a company like yours because I am someone who likes to take the charge of the team, someone who tries to lead the team, want to get the work done. Would definitely be wonderful if I would get that kind of an exposure in your company outside of India, and I definitely think that my skill set would be able to contribute to your company. Thank you so much.